Welcome to W World Quiz. Ready to test your knowledge? From pop culture to history to science to literature, we've got it all lined up just for you. Think fast, have fun, and don't forget to subscribe. Ready? Let's go. What animal has the strongest bite force in the world? Saltwater crocodile, spectacled bear, lion. Saltwater crocodile. Which animal can rotate its head 270 degrees? Bat, opossum, owl. Owl. Which animal can live for more than 100 years? Blue whale, giant tortoise, crow. Giant tortoise. What is the most common bird in the world? Pigeon, sparrow, chicken. Chicken. What is the name for a group of hyenas? Cackle, murder, crash. Cackle. What is the only species of bear found in South America? Sloth bear, spectacled bear, sun bear. Spectacled bear. What animal can jump up to 100 times its body length? Flea, cricket, katydid. Flea. What is the name for a group of crows? Murder, flamboyance, pod. Murder. What is the only marsupial found in North America? Koala, opossum, Tasmanian devil. Opossum. What is the only mammal that can't produce its own vitamin C? Elephant, bat, guinea pig. Guinea pig. Which animal can see both ultraviolet and infrared light? Mantis shrimp, sea cucumber, owl. Mantis shrimp. What is the only bird that can swim but cannot fly? Hummingbird, penguin, swift. Penguin. What is the largest animal on Earth? Giant squid, blue whale, eastern gorilla. Blue whale. What animal can survive in space? Black mamba, honey badger, tardigrade. Tardigrade. What is the name for a group of flamingos? Business, flamboyance, parliament. Flamboyance. What animal can run on water? Basilisk, lizard, hummingbird, platypus. Basilisk lizard. What is the only bird that can fly continuously for 5 years? Kiwi, swift, albatross. Swift. What is the name for a group of whales? Pod, parliament, business. Pod. What is the only continent where penguins live naturally? Africa, Australia, Antarctica. Antarctica. What is the only species of monkey found in Europe? Barbary macaque, mustached guenon, sooty mangabe. Barbary macaque. What is the only mammal that can truly fly? Crow, ostrich, bat. Bath. What is the name for a group of rhinoceroses? Pride, murder, crash. Crash. What is the only mammal that can breathe through its anus? Sea cucumber, sea otter, sea mink. Sea cucumber. What is the only species of cat that cannot retract its claws? Tiger, cheetah, lion. Cheetah. What is the only species of seahorse where the male gives birth? Syngnathidae, leafy sea dragon, pipefish. Syngnathidae. What is the only bird that can see the color blue? Chicken, penguin, owl. Owl. Which bird can fly backwards? Pigeon, hummingbird, sparrow. Hummingbird. What is the only species of seal that lives in tropical waters? Ringed seal, monk seal, elephant seal. Monk seal. Which animal has the fastest recorded sprint speed? Cheetah, ostrich, kangaroo. Cheetah. What is the national animal of Scotland? Eagle, reindeer, unicorn. Unicorn. Which bird has the longest wingspan? Wandering albatross, great white pelican, Andean condor. Wandering albatross. What is the only continent without any native species of ants? Australia, Antarctica, Africa. Antarctica. What animal can sleep while standing up? Horse, elephant, giraffe. Horse. What is the longest snake in the world? Black mamba, Russell's viper, green anaconda. Green anaconda. What is the name for a group of owls? Parliament, business, pride. Parliament. Which animal has the most complex language system? Crocodile, elephant, tiger. Elephant. What is a group of lions called? Crash, pride, pod. Pride. Which animal gets stressed when separated from its friends? Pigeon, koala, cow. Cow. Which land animal has the largest eyes? Ostrich, gorilla, elephant. Ostrich. Which animal can regenerate its limb? Tardigrade, octopus, axolotl. Axolotl. Which animal can sleep for 3 years? Snake, snail, bear. Snail. Which animal proposes marriage? Penguin, dolphin, squirrel. Penguin. Which group of animals has a complex social structure? Zebra, wolf, antelope. Wolf. Which animal's fingerprints are so indistinguishable from those of humans? Koala, chimpanzee, bear. Koala. Which animal can recognize itself when it looks in the mirror? Cat, elephant, pigeon. Pigeon. Which animal has been on Earth for more than 500 million years? Ant, jellyfish, octopus. Jellyfish. Which animal species use the waggle dance to share information with each other? Gadfly, honeybee, canary. Honeybee. Which animals cannot stick their tongue out because it is stuck to their palate? Crocodile, giraffe, lion. Crocodile. Which sea animal can see more colors than humans? Dolphin, mantis shrimp, starfish. Mantis shrimp. Which big cat species can sleep 20 hours a day? Jaguar, tiger, lion. Lion. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.